Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You will start by arranging your workspace so Chrome and the other app coexist. This saves time and context. First, snap or tile the windows, drag to a screen edge, or use the OS shortcut. Once done, adjust sizes so both are readable. Make sure you are signed into Chrome so tabs and extensions are available. This matters when you need a saved password or an extension tool quickly. Finally, open the specific pages and documents you'll use, so switching is immediate. You will now transfer information efficiently between Chrome and the other app. Use drag and drop for links, images, and files when supported. This is faster than copy-paste. If you need multiple snippets, rely on clipboard history or a note app as a buffer. Make sure to use keyboard shortcuts to speed things up. Also, enable targeted Chrome extensions, clipboard managers, tab organizers, or content selectors, because they reduce manual clicks and keep everything in context while you continue working. You will finish by cleaning up and verifying stability. Close irrelevant tabs and background apps to free RAM and prevent slowdowns. Then, check Chrome's Task Manager to find any tab or extension consuming excessive resources. End those tasks if needed. If things still misbehave, restart Chrome, and if necessary, sign out and sign back in to refresh sync. This usually resolves profile or extension glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: clear a recent cache selection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.